Are you a first-time home buyer? Many roofing issues could be present in the home you are about to buy. What you need to know about homes' roofing materials. There are several types of roofing materials available for residential and commercial buildings, each with their own set of pros and cons. Some of the most commonly used roofing materials include rolled roofing, asphalt shingles, fiberglass composition asphalt shingles, built-up roofing, cementitious tile roof, metal roof, and wood shake shingles. It is important to consider factors such as cost, durability, and energy efficiency. Each of the roofing materials discussed has its own set of pros and cons, and the best choice will depend on the specific needs of your home and budget. Rolled roofing is a mineral-surfaced roofing material that comes in rolls. It is thinner, less durable, and cheaper than asphalt shingles. Rolled roofing comes in rolls of 100 square feet. One MSR roofing roll is usually about 36 feet long by 36 inches wide. So, in terms of quantity, a roofing roll is about the size of one composite shingle square. Square is a roofing term that refers to one roofing unit of 100 square feet. Roofing with MSR is often your cheapest roofing option, as the materials cost is low and the labor cost can be low as well. Asphalt shingles are the most popular roofing material in the United States. They are affordable, easy to install, and come in a variety of colors and styles. However, they have a shorter lifespan than other materials, and are less durable in extreme weather conditions. Fiberglass composition asphalt shingles are a newer version of traditional asphalt shingles. They are made with a fiberglass mat instead of an organic felt mat, making them more resistant to fire and wind. They also have a longer lifespan than traditional asphalt shingles. However, they are also more expensive. Built-up roofing, also known as tar and gravel roofing, is a traditional flat roofing material made up of multiple layers of asphalt and reinforcing fabric. It is durable and long-lasting, but it can be heavy and requires regular maintenance. Cementitious tile roofing is made of cement, sand, and pigments, which makes it extremely durable and long-lasting. It is also resistant to fire and high winds, but it is heavy and requires a strong roof structure. Additionally, it is relatively more expensive than other roofing materials. Cementitious tile roofing and clay tiles have very similar properties. Metal roofing is a durable, long-lasting option that is resistant to fire and high winds. It is also energy efficient, as it reflects the sun's rays and helps keep the home cool. However, it can be noisy during rain and hailstorm, and it can be more expensive than other materials. Wood shake shingles are made from split cedar logs, which gives them a rustic, natural look. They are durable and long-lasting, but they are also susceptible to fire and rot. In addition, they are not as energy efficient as other materials and are also relatively more expensive. One of the biggest problems with roofing is improper installation. This can include issues such as incorrect slope, inadequate ventilation, and improper flashing. These mistakes can lead to problems such as leaks, mold, and structural damage. Improper installation can also void the manufacturer's warranty, leaving the homeowner with no recourse for repairs. Another problem with roofing installations is the use of substandard materials. This can include using lower quality shingles, underlayment, and flashing. These materials may not hold up as well to weather and wear, leading to premature failure of the roofing system. Another problem that can arise is a lack of proper maintenance, which can result in the deterioration of the roof and leaks. For example, if the roof is not cleaned properly, debris can accumulate and cause damage to the shingles. The gutters and downspouts should also be kept clear to ensure that water flows away from the roof. Finally, choosing the wrong type of roofing materials for the climate and the slope of the roof can also result in problems. For example, if the roofing material is not suitable for the climate, it may not be able to withstand the heat, cold, or precipitation in the area. To avoid these problems, it is important to hire a qualified and experienced roofing contractor who uses high-quality materials, follows proper installation techniques, and provides regular maintenance. Additionally, it is important to choose a roofing material that is appropriate for the climate and the slope of the roof. Make sure that the house you are buying does not come with any roofing surprises. We also offer drone roofing inspections, a $150 value at no extra charge. For the best home inspection, CLARO Home Inspections. Call or text and schedule today at 626-253-0436. In the greater Los Angeles, San Bernardino, and Orange counties. Or visit www.clarohomeinspections.com.